Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this huge specification 2016 66 plate Jaguar F-Pace R Sport all-wheel drive. Now this car's finished in the stunning and highly desirable Firenze red metallic paintwork, which is one of the most sought after colours for these vehicles. Then we've got a full exterior black package, so where you'd normally get sort of chrome detailing or dark grey detailing, that's all in the gloss black. So we've got privacy glass, we've got gloss black detailing on the window surrounds, we've got gloss black roof bars, gloss black detailing just above the side sills, on the side mouldings just there, on the centre grille, lower lip and side vents as well. So a very dynamic looking car, very nice contrast. We're riding on the upgrade 5-spoke Corus grey diamond turned alloy wheels. Those are in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. Then just going through to some of the specification, we've got front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera, obviously LED daytime running lights. We've got a headlamp wash for those as well. Just coming through to the boot then, we've got an electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides up. And then in the boot we've still got the parcel shelf present, obviously split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got our 12 volt power outlet to the side there. Under here you'll find your tyre inflation kit, locking wheel nut, as well as quite a bit of added storage. Press of a button and that just glides down like so. Now the Firenze red paintwork with all the gloss black detailing is coupled with a lovely matching interior. So inside we've got black leather with the pimento red centres, so I'll show you through to that now. So the bolsters, the outside of the seat base, they're all in the black, and then in the centres is the lovely red pimento leather, which is part perforated just to allow the seat to breathe. The front seats are heated as well. Onto the door cards we've got our central lock-in, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, obviously electric mirrors as well. Jumping inside, getting out of the wind. Lovely fit and finish on these cars, so straight away once you hop inside the cabin you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. This is the R Sport wheel, so it feels a little bit sportier in the hand. Now the multifunction side of it, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, obviously automatic lights, automatic wipers on the stalks, full onboard computer. You've got the paddle shifters on the steering wheel as well, allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. Now to say this is on a 66 plate, this is mega low mileage, having only covered 23,271 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the center display, we've got this nice big screen, obviously buttons down the sides for all the shortcuts. So the radio is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got aux on there as well, obviously Bluetooth phone, so you've got the music streaming side of it. Climate control and air conditioning, so it's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, which are nice and easy to operate, and then full satellite navigation as well. So all of these cars, they come with SAT NAV pre-wire, but not all of them do actually have the satellite navigation SD card present. So when you're looking to buy one of these vehicles, make sure that the supplying dealer has the SD card with the SAT NAV, as they can be quite spendy. Following through, we've got our InControl applications, Wi-Fi hotspot, Eco Data, ASI suite, which is your sort of driving functions, your all-surface information, low friction launch if you ever get stuck in mud ruts or ice. Obviously reversing camera, as I mentioned before. When you flick the car into reverse, the guidance lines then pop up as well, so showing you where you'll end up going when you turn the wheel. and then you've got the screen off as well. Centre wheel gearbox, so you park, reverse, neutral, drive and sport mode. You've got all the selectable driving modes, so automatic stop start, dynamic, normal, eco, all-terrain, and then you've also got your traction control. Electric parking brake, central armrest in superb order, definitely no signs of wear on that. Aux USB 12-volt power outlet and your SAT NAV SD card input are all in there. But the cabin is a lovely place to be. These cars, they drive absolutely fantastic. So it's an 8-speed automatic box, obviously 2-litre diesel. These engines are quite good in the fact that they only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles, so you'll save money on servicing costs. Very fuel efficient. Obviously being a 66, we're still on the older tax brackets, so you'll save money on taxing the vehicle. Insurance is quite reasonable on these vehicles as well. But inside the cabin, going back through to condition, the steering wheel, there's no signs of any sort of large nicks or tears. It doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. There's no smell of any sort of pets. The center console, that's in nice order. Obviously being a high gloss, you do tend to pick up scratches over time, but I can tell this is very well cared for. All round a very nice car. We do sell a lot of these vehicles, they are very popular. Anything Jaguar Land Rover just seems to be on top, so if you'd like to get in contact regarding this vehicle, if you'd like some finance figures, anything further, so a personalised video, more images, please do get in touch, we'll happily help you. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's both of my colleagues, Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help. But thank you for watching the video. You can contact us on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.